Hi guys and dolls, Elsie here. So we all know that the most important step of skincare is taking off all that makeup, oil, pollutants off your face at the end of the day before you drift off to your beauty sleep. So what is the best thing out there for it? I got my little helper here, Nuksin's Ageloc LumiSpa machine. This beautiful little thing here offers a deep cleansing, skin renewal, all-in-one single treatment. Let's look at the device a little bit. It comes with a very soft silicone head that spins and rotates in a frequency that promotes skin renewal, all while giving your face a nice little massage, all while taking off all that makeup. To start, make sure your face is really wet. I tried it with a little bit of moisture. It just does not create a lather up. And so I want to make sure my face is really wet. Soaky wet. There we go. Is it wet enough? Okay. All right. And then it is paired with the Ageloc LumiSpa Treatment Cleanser, specifically designed to pair with the little machine here because the reason being it works with the rotation of the treatment head in order to optimize the distribution of anti-aging ingredients in here. So we must pair them together, okay? And also make sure your treatment head is really wet. Oh, I'm going to apply the cleanser over my face. This is like, the usual amount. I apply to zone 1, zone 2, just a little finger size, zone 3, and zone 4. There we go. Now, let's turn it on. We turn it on with a little button here. See, it starts spinning. Beautiful. And then we start with zone 1. You just simply gently glide it over your face. Please don't apply too much pressure. I'll show you in a minute what happens when you apply too much pressure. The machine actually stops working. So just gently glide it over your face. It's doing all the rotation. You hear that sound? That means moving on to zone 2. You see a second light start blinking. Then you move on to zone 2. I'll stop talking so you can hear when the machine goes da-da, da-da. That means you have to move on to another zone. Listen for it. Did you hear that? That means zone 3 is lighting up. Moving on. Got to take care of the left and the right. So if you actually apply too much pressure, if you're too aggressive with the machine like this, the machine stops. Like this. You hear that do-do-do? The machine will stop working. That means you gotta ease up on the pressure. You gotta take it easy. Oh, moving on to zone 4 now. Zone 4. Looking at my jawlines. Just underneath my chin a little bit. And also, I used this time to also work on the middle area of my face, my nose, upper, lower lip area. Zone 4 is lighting up, as you can see. That's it. Oh my God, how many seconds did I take? Very short and sweet. And you can see the treatment head now is filled with, I didn't put on much makeup today, but all the makeup should be there. And all you need to do is use water to rinse it off. right? And then you rinse off your face.
For the purpose of demonstration,
I'm just going to show you with a wet cotton ball how beautiful it leaves your skin, and refreshed it leaves your skin afterwards. This is after the cleansing treatment. Look how it's glowing. It just feels so fresh. Like I can feel that my skin is breathing. And that makes my skin really happy. And when my skin is happy, I'm happy. So there you go. You have completed the steps to use the beautiful, magical Ageloc LumiSpa machine.